Yeah, right now I saw it. I don't know what is landing. Yeah, but it's too much sun and I wear the sunglasses today. But it's not summertime. Yeah, and look at this toy of orange plane. I throw it, but it's nice. But this plane, what is doing? It doesn't come next to the call from his Sanita. I don't know what is landing. What? Also the Airpatitic! Like the same way they cap the two of Airpatitic. Yeah. Wait, also I saw one butterfly. I think we have to go together. I don't know where it's going. I think it's going over there. Yeah. Wait, right now they take off the private jet. Look at this. Private jet! Wow! Bro, they take off the private jet. I cannot believe this. Wait, somebody step on it! The car! Almost I got scared. It doesn't broke it. Yeah. Almost it got broke it when it's going back of the car. Alright, orange plane, so it got disappeared. You want to throw on this plane? Because the car is going out. You want it? Okay. Whoa! It's coming from the windy. Let's make another there. Yay!